House prices in UK are going down. The mainstream media actually are lying to you. They are lying to you as they say that the house prices in UK are not going down. Actually, they even say that house prices in UK recovered, which is a pure lie. And to prove that, we can see that on this chart. This is a gold price in the British pound. The house prices at the moment, the average house price in the United Kingdom at the moment is 298k. However, in 2022 it was the same. So since 2022 to 2025, the average house price in the United Kingdom haven't moved. But we've got now 3 years, actually almost 3 years. It depends from which month we are counting. So the price is the same as 3 years ago. The nominal price counted in British pounds. However, the British pound itself, it is going down against gold. On this chart, you see the gold price in British pound. The gold price in British pound reached just actually, let's say a few hours ago, £2,381.45. It is almost £2,400 per 1 ounce of gold. 1 ounce of gold is gaining every day around 15 quid. £15 a day per 1 ounce of gold. That means the rise of the gold of the gold price is equal to the price of gold of per 1 ounce since from 1971. Actually, 50 years ago, 1 ounce of gold was £50. 15, not 5015. £15. And every day, 1 ounce of gold is gaining £15. The whole price from that time. It is like saying in 50 years the price of gold will increase every day by today's price, which is 2,400. Can you imagine that gold in 50, 40, 55 years will gain every day 2,300 or 424 pounds a day? So that means in 50 years, 1 ounce of gold will be 300k. 300,000 pounds. $250,000 per 1 ounce. And this is not what will happen, what may happen, that will happen if the economy will proceed the same way as in last 50 years. So then you say, oh, that's not possible. It's not possible that 1 ounce of gold will cost 300,000 pounds. And how does it matter with the house prices and mortgage crash in the United Kingdom? Ladies and gentlemen, this is what's happening now with the British pound, is that the Bank of England actually decreased interest rate, lowered interest rate by 0.25 from 4.75 to 4.5, despite the inflation target hasn't reached 2%. The inflation in the United Kingdom, the official inflation that is provided by the Bank of England, the number is 2.5%, but the target is 2%. And the lowered interest rate, why they did it? Because the ECB, European Central Bank, based in Frankfurt, the Bank of the European Union, actually the euro currency, decreased interest rate to 2.9. That means in Ireland you get mortgages for 3%, and in United Kingdom you would get for 6%. That's why they did it. That's why probably they did it, to show the people that they are not able to do it, because that will increase soon, soon. That will increase inflation soon, and the British pound will go down even more. That's why even they show you that the house prices in the United Kingdom actually recovered since 2022, which is actually the same now. It's dropped and is the same as in 2022, the average one. However, since that time, British pound, where is 2022? We have 2022 here. Look at this. 3 years ago, 2022, February 15th, 1 ounce of gold in British pound, 1,300, 1,300 pounds. Today, 2,400, almost 100% more. So actually, the houses went down in gold by 50%. You can get 100% more houses by your gold than in 2022. If you had gold worth of 300,000 pounds in 2022 on February 2022, and you bought for this gold British pound, and you bought the house you have today, one house. However, if you kept this gold and you waited today, this gold would be almost 600 pounds, and you would get 2 houses for the same price. British houses are not going up. They are on the same level, but the British pound is losing to gold. And they lowered interest rate, but they are actually not allowed. They are not allowed to do, but they did it to show the people, well, we can try, but probably that will increase the inflation and they will come back to the high interest rate. Probably. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there will be cheap gas, or maybe there will be cheap some electricity, cheap oil, maybe, so this inflation will go down because of the maybe Trump some moves. I don't know. That may happen, but it is not happening at the moment. So the media are lying to you. The houses went down 50%. If we reverted, gold increased 100% compared to houses in United Kingdom, because you can get 100% more houses for the same quantity of gold like in 2022 as in 2022. The property market in United Kingdom is over. The electricity is too expensive. If the gas and electricity will be so expensive, there will be even more mold, more dump in United Kingdom, and all these Victorian houses, they will go down. Of course, maybe that will not happen if they will have the cheap gas, the cheap electricity, etc. Then that will not happen. But anyway, this is problem also in other countries because the gas in Europe. But the truth about the house prices is that nominally they just recovered the price, but the inflation of everything was 10, 15, 20% last 3 years. To gold, 50% loss. You can get 100% more houses for your gold today than in 2022. And it is not stopping. It is not stopping. But it is not stopping. It is not stopping. It is growing all the time. And if we can imagine that the British pound will lower interest rate to the level of the European Central Bank, or maybe Canadian dollar, etc., that will change. No, look what is happening to Canada, 4,000 436 Canadian dollars. It was just few hours ago, 4,222. Australian. Look what is happening to Australia. Beautiful Australia. Canada is beautiful as well. 4,700. 4,700 per 1 ounce of gold. But they have still interest rate 4.35 probably, as I remember. Canada lowered interest rate to 3%, very low. So the mortgage market is red. They lowered interest rate, but they can't. The British pound is losing pyramidically. It's losing so strong that if you have British pound in your hands, then you must be out of this earth, not understanding that the British pound in your hand is losing every day 1%. If gold will go on, if the money supply in the United Kingdom and the interest rate in the United Kingdom will go on, then there will be the same situation as to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar, gold against those two currencies. £5,000 per 1 ounce of gold, it will be new normal. It is new normal 2,400. Houses in UK are losing. It is one of the worst investments you can make at the moment. Houses in the United Kingdom. Interest rate is so high. British pound is losing. Inflation is still high. The gas and electricity is so expensive. It is a big problem for the investors in the United Kingdom. For sure, we know that the house prices in the United Kingdom are not growing, are going down like stone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Soon there will be new video like this. Please give me comment. Please subscribe. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.